What you got there?
I just present.
What do you say?
Where's it go?
No.
Look at my present.
Tell him Merry Christmas.
He's over there in the kitchen house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You gotta tell him Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That's very thoughtful of you to get him a present.
Whoops.
What's in it?
I gotta get my little Papa.
Is it gonna deliver the present?
Yeah. We can do it. Papa, you get your friend.
Oh. Okay. Say Merry Christmas, Micah.
It did. I do say it 2 times.
Do you want to say it 2 times?
Yeah.
Okay, now what do you say?